Hey guys, welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. I'm Greg, and this is a 55 Chev with a 409 and dual quad sitting on the top. Fresh rebuild. You're gonna love checking this car out. So go to our website at vanguardmotorsales.com. We'll put it on the lift so you can see the bottom. We're gonna pop the hood, take a look at that 409. We're gonna get out and drive it. We're gonna look inside the trunk. We're gonna show you everything you wanna see so you can make a great decision on your 55 Chev investment. So come on up, we'll fire it up for you now. So check this beauty out. You can see that the chrome on the front bumper's looking good. The grille looks good. All the emblems look like they're brand new. And look at that deep purple paint, man. And it is slick as can be. You can see all the reflections in it. The lines line up nice. Beautiful wheels and tires on it. The doors are lining up nice. All the stainless down the sides in good shape. Doors operate nice and smooth. Door jambs are nice and clean. It's got custom interior in it. Looks like the stock seats, but then they've been recovered. Great looking trim on the dash. We got the 4-speed shifter in there. Back seat, of course, matches the front. Headliner's in good shape. All the chrome inside here's looking good. Just overall, real hot 55 Chev. And did I mention it's got a 409 under the hood? All that chrome on the dash is looking sharp. It's got the stock appearing steering wheel in it. Just a real sharp old 55 right here, guys. I always tell the 55 by the gas door here on the side. Of course, 56, the gas door is back here. Now the chrome on the back bumper, that looks like it may be an original back bumper and just very, very nice shape. It does not look like it's brand new, but it looks like I'm in trouble. It looks like I got about 14 keys here to try to get the, look at that, first try. How do you like that? Look inside the trunk here. We got spare tire, jack. Everything's painted up nice. The mat looks good. The gutter system here around the opening of the trunk looks good. The rubber on the bottom of the deck lid also looks good. Now also these trims on the tail lights, they look like they're original to the car, just in beautiful shape. You look down the side of it, she's straight as an arrow. All the trim down this side also looks good. Just a beautiful old 55 Chev right here, guys. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we are not consignment dealers whatsoever. We buy every one of our vehicles here. We own all of our inventory. We've got over 240 cars in stock, and we're bringing in between 45 and 50 new cars every month. I'm in charge of picking out every one of those cars, so what that means to you is you're getting my expert help helping you pick out your dream car. All right, 55 Chevy time. 409 under the hood. She's so fine, my 409 and my 55 Chevy. Let's go for a drive, guys. Now this 55 Chev is sweet. 409 power, 4-speed shifter, beautiful paint work. You're gonna love it when we park this dream in your drive. Dual quads on it. What a sweet machine. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we can ship this car anywhere in the world. You just call Tom at 248-974-9513 and he will tell you just exactly how easy it is to ship this dream to your drive no matter where you live in the world. Just give him a call. Now it's got a nice, quiet, throaty sounding exhaust on it, and when you get into it you can hear the power. Running awesome, fresh rebuild on the 409. Trans feels good. Just an amazing machine here, guys. Now, if you want a little help with financing, we've got bankers for that. We can hook you up with the banker. It only takes about a 15-20 minute phone call with the banker, and we can get this dream parked right in your driveway. Now it looks like I got a semi truck blocking my way here. I don't know what the hell this guy's doing. He's taking his half out of my side. Listen to that exhaust. Now down here on the dash, the speedo is working. Looks like it maybe just a little fast. We're probably doing about 30 and it's showing 35. We got a 3-pack of gauges down here that's telling you all the important stuff like the temperature, oil pressure, and whether the alternator's charging or not. Even the horn on the steering wheel's working, guys. It's a sweet ride right here. Now we're right outside the Motor City. We're bringing in between 45 and 50 new units every month, so make sure you check us out. If you'd like to fly in and visit, we'd love to have you. Now about 95% of our customers buy sight unseen, but please, if you've got the time and the means, we'd love to have you come in. We've had 2 customers last week came in the morning, picked out their vehicle, we shipped it out to them, they flew out the same night. Make it real easy for you. We'll even come down to the airport and pick you up. Now we're about to do something nobody else in the industry does. We're gonna put this car up on the lift so you can check out just how nice the bottom side is. And then we're gonna pop the hood and take a look at that 409. Now here's our building. We're at 15100 Keel Street. And don't forget, we got 80,000 square feet of indoor storage here. So, and we got a lot of cars. If you wanna come in and visit, make sure you call Tom. Let him know you're coming so we can have your favorite car right where we can get to it easy. All right, we're underneath this 55 Chev now, and she is just as nice underneath. As you can see, the fuel pump's mounted back here on the back frame cross member. We got a brand new gas tank in it. You can see the trunk floor's got primer on it on the bottom side. Brand new exhaust, brand new hangers. Back sides of the quarters are nice and clean. I don't see any evidence of any patchwork or anything. Brake lines are new. We got a 12-bolt rear end in here, 373 gear, and it is posi. Now on the brakes, the guys will pull those all apart and make sure they're in good working order. You can see brand new body mounts here, brand new flex line going there to the brakes, brand new fuel line going to the front to back, brand new brake line going front to the back. Again, new body mounts, the primer on the floorboard here, beautiful, looking good. Flowmaster mufflers. It's got a aftermarket cross member in here for this M22 Muncie transmission. Everything about it's nice and clean under here, guys. That's that 409 in here, man. That thing is sweet. Freshly rebuilt, everything on it's nice and clean, all painted up nice. We do have drum brakes up front too, and the guys will pull those apart, make sure they're in good working order. Looks like brand new shocks up front also. Cross member's nice and tight, front frame horns are nice and straight. Now this bumper looks like it's a re-chrome. I can see where some work's been done on the back when they had it at the chromers, and then they put some brand new chrome back here on the front. Everything about the car is nice and clean under here. I tell you, it was a beautiful build when it was done. Back sides of the rockers are nice and clean. I can see that from here. I mean, you might want to put mirrors underneath this car and show off just how nice it is. Let's look at wheels and tires. All right, up front here, we got some American Racing aluminum wheels. They're in good shape. 225/60/15s on the tires. Let's check the rear. All right, out back here again, American Racing 5-spoke aluminum wheels and 245/60/15s on these. And you can see the bottom side of the rocker is nice and clean. That pinch weld looks good. And again, you can see brand new body mounts up there also. And the frame's got a nice coat of paint on it too. Let's get under the hood and check out that 409. All right, under the hood here, man, dual quads. It's got 2 Edelbrock 4-barrels sitting on top of that 409. It's an aluminum intake. Everything under here is nice and clean, nice and neat. You can see the alternator's all polished up, the valve covers are polished up. It's got the stock exhaust manifolds. The battery's right here in the stock location, looking good. We got a good looking brand new windshield wiper motor there. It does have the stock brake cylinder on it also. The car does not have power steering. It's got a big, beautiful aluminum radiator in it. The car is amazing, guys. She's a 55 Chev. She's got a 409 in her. She's a 4-speed. Call us at 248-974-9513 and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your driveway.